Hey, to remove Google account from Chrome, all you have to do is just to click on the picture in the right upper corner, then open to show more accounts. And if you want to remove, for example, this account, just click to remove. But if you don't have this remove button, you will have to actually go into this three dots in the right upper corner, go into the settings, and now from here, select you and the Google. Now from here, click on this arrow, on this one, and click to sign out of your account. When you do this, you will have to actually log in back into this account. And when you open this main website with this picture in the right upper corner, you will be able to remove other accounts that was actually in the use in this profile. So there's like no way to remove the specific account. You will have to sign out of your all Google accounts. After this, you will have to log in into them back, and only don't log in to account that you want to remove. So that's how we can get this remove button and actually get rid of it. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.